Hello, this is Dan.
Oh, hi, Dan. This is Jay over at Windermere Real Estate. Hey, what happened to jumbo mortgages? You guys still closing those loans?
That is a great question, Jay. It's the number one question that our real estate professionals are asking us right now, and it's the number one concern that our pre-approved buyers that are out shopping for homes in these two scenarios have right now. So I am going to make the most broad video I've ever made. It's gonna last about 3 minutes, but on one hand, I'm gonna discuss the zero down, low down payment assistance program for first-time home buyers. On the other side, I'm gonna be talking about jumbo loans that involve loan amounts over $740,000. It really involves purchase prices over $1 million. This is important for both of those types of borrowers, so listen up. Right now, it all comes down to two factors. It's liquidity and it's risk. Lenders have very little liquidity right now, and they have a ton of risk in the marketplace, mainly due to what you've seen on the news relative to the unemployment numbers that the coronavirus has brought to the United States of America right now. We have 20 million Americans, and today is April 20th, 2020. To date, we have about 20 million Americans that have filed for unemployment. We also have about 4 million of those 20 million have also applied for or have basically committed to not making their mortgage payment through the mortgage forbearance plan. Now, what does that mean to lenders? It's a huge risk. It's a very big risk for lenders like CROSSCOUNTRY Mortgage, like a lot of local lenders here in the Seattle marketplace, and banks. Because what a lot of us do with these two types of programs, these down payment assistance programs and jumbo mortgages, is we originate, we process, and we fund these loans right here. And then what we have is what's called warehouse lines, where in about a 30 to 45 day period post-closing, we sell these mortgages to the investors or the servicers, and they take them off of our warehouse lines. Well, from a risk standpoint, what if the borrower, because of the unemployment numbers right now, loses their job or gets furloughed after we fund their loan, and we don't have the ability to sell that particular loan off our warehouse lines? We get stuck with it. Hence the liquidity issues. Banks are not in the business of holding on to loans unless they're a portfolio lender, and most of us are not portfolio lenders. Now, from a risk standpoint, that's liquidity. From a risk standpoint, on the jumbo mortgage side of things, and on the bond, the low down side of things, let's say you lose your job and you have to sell the home. Okay, you're in default. You've gone 2, 3, 4, 5 months now without making your payment. You have to sell the home and the lender has to foreclose. It's going to cost the lender over 10, 12, 15% to sell that home. Okay, that's a huge risk, and it poses more liquidity issues. Banks are going to be losing money because of that. So what they've done is they've suspended or eliminated both of those types of programs. You've seen that in the media lately where Chase Bank announced it. They want nothing to do with mortgages unless you have 20% down, and they want nothing to do with jumbo mortgages. Well, other banks are following suit. I have a solution for you here at CROSSCOUNTRY Mortgage. We have broker opportunities, meaning I can broker both of these types of loans and still help my low down payment assistance first-time home buyers, and I can still help my jumbo borrowers. On the flip side of it too, instead of brokering, we have some solutions in-house where it may involve a first and second combo. There's a great solution we just provided a customer the other day. We also have some opportunities in-house with an FHA loan and other types of loan programs where we can achieve the same results as a down payment assistance program, but we do it in-house and we do it strategically. So if you're a real estate professional watching this and you have any questions, I want to be a resource to you. I think now more than ever, you need to have a mortgage pro in your corner, and I want to be that guy for you. If you're a first-time home buyer or a move-up buyer watching this, I want to be a resource for you as well. You're going into battle right now, and I want to make sure that you are armed to win this battle. We're not going to be in this for long, but for now, there's some great opportunities out there because of low interest rates. We got to be strategic, helping you take advantage of those. I look forward to bringing you more information next week. In the meantime, reach out to me if you have any questions. Bye for now.